Guys, tayo ay we're gonna play a game called Pisonet. This game is from indie game slash clear. This game is from indie game that I've downloaded. It's a very fun game. It's a short horror game that just saw it on TikTok, and I don't know how I am gonna play this. Let me make my PNG a little bit bigger for you guys so you guys can see. There you go. There you go. So yeah, let me log into my Twitch on my cell phone, Gary. I'm just gonna log in my Twitch. Oh fuck, did I seriously forget my password? Wait, let me log in my... Huh? What do you mean I forgot my password? What the hell? Wait, did I forget my password? Holy shit, I forgot my password on Twitch. How? How the hell am I just clueless and dumb?
Crack one.
Hey, let me try to fix. Let me try to fix it. Yeah, that's my password. What the hell? What the hell? That's my password. Okay.
I don't see a world where I live here, so just leave me, please.
What the hell?
They both didn't ult the Diana and
Okay, okay. I'm just gonna check if my thing is properly aligned on my phone. Phone. Twitch. Oh my god. Is it black screen? What the hell? Is this another sketchy streaming? Another sketch stream by my wait lang. Oh yes, yes, it's good, it's good, we good, we good, we good, we good, my friend. We good, we good, we good. If there's an AI that is coming to my stream, and I will ban him immediately. Like, bruh. Wait, guys, I'm gonna open up chat on my phone so I can see what you guys saying. There you go, guys. Right. Do I have a sound alert for if so I'm using Optimum Bribe, do it. Okay. Okay guys, it's time. This is gonna be super. I have no idea how to play this game, so this is my first time playing this game. So yeah, hope we have fun. Let's go. Play. Oh my god. It's gonna be so much fun. Case number 457, Porok Dos Pisonet. Subject Def Santos. Friend of missing person. Holy shit, this is October 20, 2018. Holy shit, subtitle feeling. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to speak my best in English. Mouse to look around. Ooh! Okay. See to zoom. Okay. And is that it? Is that actually it? Like Pisonet piece.
it's the thing.
What the hell? Where is Jeff is getting late? Okay. The audio is good. I just check the audio. So yeah, and I'm just whistling. Hindi ako marunong. I don't know how to whistle. Mhm. CCTV camera is here. I see myself looking. How? Well, let me fix my mouse sensitivity. Oh my god, it's getting dark. Oh, huh? What is that? Oh, guys. Oh, how do I move? Oh, okay. This is just a normal game that we're playing. A normal computer shop in the Philippines. Playing, there is a kid. This is PC1 off. PC2 is occupied. So yeah, that kid is playing there. Oh, they have a very good gaming PC. What the hell? Their gaming PC is better than mine. Oh my god. It's 9:55 p.m. Okay, check this. I don't know the controls. That's the tutorial. Ah! Putang ina. Putang ina. Gulat ako, gago. Gagon. Tumaas yung balahibo ko dun. Anyway, you're dismissed. Gago. Tumaas yung balahibo ko. Let's check. Oh my god, that scared me. You fucking bitch. Why? Oh, here comes the employee of the month. Let's check what this guy playing. What the hell? Oh, Dragon City. Oh my god, he's playing Dragon City. That's a very old game. On Facebook.com. Oh, nice. Very nice. What are you doing? Oh! You're watching the ph.com. What the hell? Why are you watching? What? Oh my god, your hand is so fast. Fast hand, bro. What is that? Tetris tournament. 1v2. Oh, nice. Holy shit. What about you? Oh my god, your hand is super fast. What? Can you see the other tab or you will get kicked out? Ay, naka. Okay. This is the PC. Look at the inverter. Classic PisoNet. Look at that. 16 minutes. 24 minutes. That's the classic PisoNet in the Philippines. You put your money here like 1 peso. And you will get time like 5 minutes. You drop your money there. And it will give you time, and yeah. And you're like a guard from the computer shop. Like, look, you have the PisoNet, Piso 1, Piso 2, and yeah, you're just guarding who's watching. Very suspicious. This guy, bro, his hand is so fast. He's watching something like, bruh. Okay, it's time to leave. Okay, how do I leave, by the way? Do I press here? Right click? How do I leave? Like, how? It says to make me leave, okay? But how do I leave? Do I press this? Or, do I click you? Your face. You are very, very handsome, for a man. You're very handsome. What the hell? The jump scared though. That's Wait. Can I click here? No. Right click. Oh my god. The stream just started. Like, bruh. Disk. Live connection power. Okay, click. How do I open the door? Let me out. It says, my manager says I have to leave. I can leave now. What the fuck? What the fuck? Say ding 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 ding. Oh my god. Wait. Let me try to Enable streaming mode. Accessibility. Why is not on my TikTok? Wait, on my phone. Oh my god. Okay. Twitch. Yo. This account has been revoked. Okay. There you go. Connected again. So how do I leave? Do I press the door? Do I do something? Like, how do I leave? I want to leave. It says, I'm the employee of the month. Do I sneak? What the hell? Oh, see, I'm pressing every button. I cannot skip the first game. What the fuck? Okay. I cannot skip the first part. What the hell? Oh my god. This shadow. Like, bruh. Click here. Here. Do I click somewhere? Like, I click my boss? No? Do I click the door? I keep clicking the door. How? How do I fucking leave, bro? Bro. CD burns. Oh, there's a CD burns here. Wait. Wait. Stupid love. Salbukan. Payphone. Maroon F5. Tonight FN Static. Tornado. Eraser. Huling Sayaw. Kamikaze. Serena Glock 9. Gayuma by Abra. What the hell? Play games. Ooh. You burn this here so you can play this on the music player. Okay. I see, I see. How do I leave though? I want to leave. Like, leave. What the hell? Wait. I'm gonna get jump scared again. Wait. I'm gonna research it. Wait, Pisonet. Let me. I didn't watch any gameplay of that game. Pisonet gameplay. I haven't. I haven't watched the game. I'm gonna watch it on live on stream.
Yung ano, yung batang ano, nakagaling pa school. Oh, yan, ganyan yan. Ito yung cheat sa GTA, oh. Nakikipindot pa yan, nakikipindot yan. Tapos yun, kami tapos. Anyway, dismiss soldier.
Okay.
Arrange the chairs real quick and then oh, tayo nang yan. Tayo nang mo, Jeff.
Thank. Okay. We arrange the chair daw. Oh, I have to fix the chair. Okay, how do I fix? Oh, that's how. Okay. Fix the chair and I can now leave. Okay. Oh, oh, oh! What the hell? Oh. Okay. Now can I leave? No. Can I arrange this chair? Huh? What do I do? I didn't watch. Boss, ayusin mo yung pagkaupo mo, boss. Fix your posture, boss. You're just watching, you're watching Bold. What the hell? Your hand is so fast. Bruh. Okay. Okay, boss Jeff. Can I leave now? Like now or no? No?
Come on. Lalaro mo doon. You're the Dota.
Okay.
Jeff, nakita mo to, Jeff. Yan ang buhay yan.
Should I leave na? I cannot leave. What the hell? This is what happen if you don't play this game. If you did play this. Oh, there's a monitor down. I think this PC is there's no PC. Yeah. How I didn't notice that there's no PC here on PC5, but so what do I do? This guy is playing Dragon City. This is playing Tetris. 1v1 Tetris. Oh my god. Okay, time to watch it on YouTube again. I'm just literally watching it. Someone playing. I'm literally watching someone playing here. What the hell? Oh. Oh! I see a light. Okay. Oh, it's now very, very light now. Here. Let's go. It's finally light. This is the aircon called Mirage. Mirage is a car from the Philippines. From Japanese. I don't know where the Mirage from. Ah, there's a door. Employee of the door. Let's go. Okay. Okay, now I know what to do. Same day the door. So I'll be there. I'll be here. Okay. Uh, Terraria Interactive. Okay. I'm literally watching someone gameplay just to play this game. He started a part-time job at the local Pisonet to earn some income. Lately, he felt something strange, like always, someone's always watching him. They say some people media sensitive are beyond of that. He don't want that, but on the night when he is on duty, it get worse. The air changes. Yes. And he can feel it. Oh my god. He can feel it. Wait lang, may parcel. Ay! Wait lang po. Ay, gising. Parcel mo. Parcel mo. Wait lang po okay, let's start. Oh my god. The favorite song. Wait, let me make it loud. Hey, hey. I guess it won't change any customer. Press the keyboard to stop the music. Oh, time to arrange the chair. Okay, I shall arrange the chair. 1, 2. Wait lang, let me open the chat again. Oh my god. Arrange all the chair. Okay, the chair is being arranged. We go back here. Huh? Time. Huh? What? What is that sound, bro? There's no customer for today. Oh my god! The chair moved itself! What the hell? How? Okay, let me arrange. This slot is always empty. I think I can add another unit here. Yeah, there's no unit here. I just have to get the parts from the shelf. Where's the shelf though? Left click to grab the shelf. I need to pick up a PC case, ABR, and a PC slot machine. So, here. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. I'm just gonna trace. Huh? How, what the fuck? Huh?
Ano ito ka?
Kakulong. Ah.
Ano? Tawag nito?
I put here. Okay. Why is it invisible on my... Huh? Huh? Why are you invisible? What the hell? Huh? Weird. Huh? Okay. I'll put the PC here. Do I pick up the ABR? I'm gonna pick up an ABR. Here. Oh. Pick up the piso. Huh? Here. I cannot rotate it though. I'm just gonna place it here. Okay. And the ABR, where is the ABR? Here. Okay. It's so weird, it's spinning on its own. There. There. Uh, oh my god. Okay. Is it working? PC. Time to arrange the chair. What the hell? Oh, put it here. And the ABR here. Here. And this is the PC keys. Why are you invisible? Like, bro. Wait. It's invisible. It's turning invisible. Like, what the hell is going on? Okay. It's being arranged. Oh. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What are you? Wow, who are you? Who is this shit? Oh my god. Why I cannot move? Why I cannot move? Help! What the hell? What the hell is this, bro? I cannot move. Okay. Okay. Please do not jump scare me when I approach you. Please. Is it gonna jump scare me? X. I know I have no viewer, but are you gonna jump scare me, bro? Hello? Huh? Huh? What the hell? My heart. Yung puso ko, putang ina. Grabe. Okay. He took his leave for the rest of the season. He couldn't afford solutions, so he forced himself. But things started to change. Okay. He kept getting he keeps getting angry. Too hard to talk to. And he become distant. Oh my god. October 29, 2018, the present time. Oi! Let's go. Oh, this. Why? Oh, why are you shirtless, bro? Why this guy shirtless playing? Ah, my back head hurts. Huh? Huh? There's a kid. My phone is ringing. How's the shop doing? Where are you? Where are you? I need to go now. Almost there. Wait for me. Okay, you better be here by 9:55. Okay. Hey, I only have two legs, you know. Call ended. Wait, I want to tell you something. Okay. Okay. Huh, weird. Is PC5 on? PC5 on, yeah. This can't be right. What do you... I need to check PC5. Oh my god. Huh? That's PC5, look! That's PC5. What the hell? There's... It's on. What? There's a kid. Oh, there was a kid. Here. Should I play music? No, I cannot play music. There was a kid here. Where is that kid? Bruh. Okay. Oh, Oh, what the hell? You're playing Call of Duty? What the hell? Oh, Dota player! Let's go! This guy is good at Dota. Look, there's two students. And why are you shirtless, bro? Okay. It's not on. Yeah, it's not on. Huh? I'm too tired for this. Same, I'm too tired. I'm too scared. I want to go home now, but I need to arrange the chair at least. Okay. Let's arrange the chair for now. Okay. Tangina. I don't want to touch PC5. It's so scary. Okay, that's a kid. Oh my god. Oh, look at the piece. Look at that. It's creepy. Is it still on? Like, oh my god, it's still on. No one is playing it. And it's still fucking on, bruh. Okay, I'm just gonna arrange it. Hey, wear some short, bro. Okay. What the fuck is this? Oh my god. I'm too scared for this. Me. Oh. 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 Nah. Nah, bro. Look! It cannot be seen in the CCTV. It cannot be seen in the CCTV, bro. That's so scary. I'm gonna approach it. I'm too scared, but I'm gonna try to approach it, bro. Hello? Hey, are you okay? Hey kid, are you okay? Where's your parents? Uy! Uy! Manahimik kayo, puta! Pustahan sa Dota, guys! Pustahan sa Dota, guys! Tangina. I don't remember feeling this low. Ay! Putay na, pustahan yun sa Dota! Tahimik! Ay, ingay-ingay eh. Nagulat ako. Putang ina. That scared me. Like, what the fuck? He knows what he saw. A child bruised in tears and he still doesn't understand what the boys want from him. Oh my god. He has no choice. He is the only one that can see him. Maybe this is the reason he has given ability he that he finally he thought him finally use it. And he pulled him together. He overcome his fear. His fear. He only wanted to help him. This shit. Legit, guys. This is November 1. Oh my god, Halloween! November 1, bruh. November fucking 1. The mistake. Okay, be brave. I can do this. Yeah, be brave for myself. And I'm here to show you. I'm here. Show yourself. Okay. I want to help you. Okay. Help me. I will help you. My bro. If that's what you want. What the hell? I'm still here. You want me to arrange the chair? Oh my god. November 1, bro. The most scariest thing that. Oh my god. Is it delay? Okay. Oh, I can I can do this. I'm very wait. I'm very brave, you know. Oh, I'm brave. Let's do this. Can we let play music? No, all of the PC is off. Okay, I already done this yesterday. I don't want. If you don't want me, I leave now. I need my phone before I go. Okay. I'm brave. Whew. I am very brave. Ay, no. Bambi Frozen removed. Ah, what the hell? Ah, this is why I don't stream Twitch. Because of this fucking bot. I'll ban you, you fucking bot. Report. Spam. Next, this fucking bot. 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 Fucking bot. Bot. Spam. Submit report. Now, this bot is created by it's created June 29. This we have a bot in the channel. I'm gonna ban this bot. Okay, copy x/ban. Fucking bot /ban. I'm trying to play horror game and you ruin it. You fucking spam bot. Fuck you. Now get removed by me. Huh? Bot. Okay. I have. Oh my god. Oh shit. So dark now.
Good job. So proud of you.
I'm so. F. Ay! Oh, puta! Putang ina! Gago! Ah! Putang ina! What the hell? Let me leave, please. Please leave. Oh, PC5 is on again. PC5 is on. I don't wanna play this game. Jump scare this. Oh no. I don't wanna play this game anymore. I'm not. I don't wanna play this game. I'm too scared. Nah, bro. Nah. Nah, bro. I don't wanna play. I don't wanna. Approach PC5 slowly. Newspaper. Authorities saw a newspaper child founded in a local pisonet in the Dorok Dos. Authorities suspect foul play in the investigation. Shop owner and foul play shop owner is under investigation. Porok Dos, Manila. Ayang boy. Is was founded late Tuesday evening inside the local pisonet in Barangay 77 Purok Old. Was discovered alone, severely bruised with a broken bones. With a broken bones and sign of abuse. I cannot play this game. And I heard some cries coming from the boy was found lifeless under. Stop! Under one of the knowledge child present caused his injury. Authorities are now investigating the situation as possible cause of abuse and foul play. The severity of injuries suggests this was not an accident. Stop! Of the Manila Police District. At the stage, we are treating the shop owner as a person of interest. This child cause death is not yet determined. Oh my god. And forest teams are conducting an spy. Stop, please. Stop. Auto spy, despite an attempts, authorized as being unable to locate any relatives or guardians. The PisoNet shop was shut down temporarily for further investigation. Several local has come forward with this report for a strange occurrence at the local PisoNet. From the power surge and spling sound in the dead night, it always felt like something was wrong there, said one of the neighbors, who asked the remain anonymous. People said it was just a machine, but you know it is, I don't know. Anyone with the information regarding the child or the shop activities has to come for. Ay! Putang ina. I found blood all over the world and I never understand what happened to him. He doesn't answer my call and all started in that specific night. I tried asking around but no one had seen him. Not a single trace. It has like he never exists. Customer complained about the strange rotten smell here. I said, could find the source, it would be go away. So we decided to close the shop. PisoNet. Oh my god, this fucking horror. PisoNet. Oh my god, story by Eldrin Evans. 2025 PisoNet is the first short developed by created by Eldrin Evans under the interactive brand Solo Music. See, ang ganda mo. Thanks for playing. Oh, that's it. Oh my god. Help us understand. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. This. That really happy. Last. That is the end. It's not the end. Oh, it's the end. That's about it. 30 minutes of the gameplay of that game. Like, bruh. That was so good and scary. 30 minutes of the gameplay. Good. Oh my god. It's a short horror game. And yeah. That was about it. That was about. Oh my god. That's